What are Shona people called? The Shona people are part of the Bantu ethnic group. They live primarily in Zimbabwe, but you will also find Shona people in Mozambique, South Africa, Kenya, as well as in the diaspora in places like the United Kingdom, the United States, and China, amongst others. The Shona people consist of groups such as the Zezuru, Karanga, Manyika, Tonga, Korekore, and Ndau. Each clan of the Shona people descends from a different common ancestor, and each clan and its offshoots have a common totem. A totem is usually an animal or body part and is associated with the particular clan. Examples of some totems could be Moyo, Soko, Shumba, Nzo, Shala, or Shiri, amongst others. Each totem has different poems that they recite, and these give an insight into their particular history. Take these lines from the thanking ceremony for Moyo Wajge Gora, for example. It goes, Maita Wajge Gora, Evo Moyo Manawarusike, Maita Varidombo Tombo. And this translates to, Thank you, Wajge Gora. Yes, Moyo, the child of Rusike. Thank you to those who are in Dombotombo. In this way, important histories, as well as the geographical locations of the different totems, are preserved and passed down through the generations. Do you want to learn more about Zimbabwe and its people? Then subscribe to SARURA Kids' YouTube channel today and learn more about the fascinating history and culture of the Zimbabwean people.